it's me back again with my curtain and we're welcoming you back, or if you're new here, welcoming you for the first time to Panda Gaia.
Swear I'll never lie to you. Swear I'll never treat you bad. See, I would never do it to you. Want you to behind my back.
In this video, I will be showing you guys some of my favorite dresses that I picked up recently. But before starting off, oh my god, you guys, I have no words to express how happy I am. Like, you know my giveaway video, what I won from my giveaway? If you haven't seen that, please go see it. YouTube, please make that thing come here where you do your magic for your videos and stuff. So that I had 300 subscribers when I uploaded the video. I don't even know what to say. After that, like not even one day, maybe like 6 hours later, my subscriber count increased from 300 to 338. Like 38 subscribers in one video. I was shocked and I was so happy. I didn't know what to do. And then my phone was like ping, ping, ping. It was blowing up with notifications from YouTube and YouTube Studio. I mean, YouTube started appreciating me. It's like you've reached your limits, you've reached your goal for the week, aim for the month, and it's like dun, 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 dun. I was so happy. I don't know what to do, and that video is nothing compared to my hair makeover video. Oh my god, I don't know what to say. I am really happy and really grateful and thankful to every single person that has supported me. When I uploaded that video, I had 338 subscribers, as I told you before. And after I uploaded the video, last time I checked, it was, I mean, just before uploading this video, not uploading, like filming this video, I have 337. No, wait, what? Huh? Oh, 375 subscribers. I mean, look at the difference. 300 to 375 subscribers. 75 subscribers in 2 videos. It's crazy. Over 800 views for my hair makeover video. Over 70 likes and 170 comments and 112 likes. Oh my god. I can't even express how happy I am. You should have come to my house that day. You should have seen that. I was so happy. Thank you so much for all the love and support you guys have given me. Keep on supporting me. Keep on. I don't know. Once the first time I started this channel, I thought I would have like 100 subscribers. I would just vibe with my subscribers, showing the things that I love. But over this time, we have evolved so much as a team, as a family, as I don't know. It's just amazing. Thank you guys so much. Keep on supporting me. Keep on, I don't know what to say. I love you. Mwah. Let's go into today's video. I will be showing you guys some of the clothes that I picked up recently that I really love. So let's go. Okay, the first dress is something different, but something you guys have actually seen, but something different from that. If you have seen my birthday vlog, you might have understood that. You might have seen, not understood, you definitely, if you have seen that. Otherwise, please go see it. It's in my channel, or it will be linked in the description. I wore a red romper frock. It's the same thing, but the color is different. I have mentioned before that, what do I say? How do I say this? There was some damage in that dress, so I had to change it, and I took the dress in the same different color. So I'll show you guys that. This is the top. It's actually a romper, so this is like the inner. It's just cropped, the top, and the hands are full. It's plain and simple, just like that. And it's written, what is it written? Just run. Oh, it says just run. It's inverted because it's front camera. Just run. So this is a top that you wear inside, and outside we have this beautiful dark blue romper. I've actually worn this once. Twice. I've worn it to school, and I have worn it once we went out with some people. So this is how it looks, and that's how I looked. It's a mirror selfie. I didn't take any other pictures that day. So that's a blue romper. Hope you guys like that. Next thing, oh my god, this little thing has brought a lot of trouble into my life, and by trouble I mean serious trouble. This is the t-shirt. This t-shirt cost 199 rupees, precisely 199 rupees. And not just that, this is a troublemaker. And by troublemaker I mean troublemaker. See, this t-shirt here says chill, but I was not at all chill. I ordered this on October 12th and I received it on January 14th. I ordered this from a site called Beautify Yourself, and many of my friends and some of my relatives asked me where you got this from. It's from Beautify Yourself, but please do not order this. I ordered this on October 14th so that I could October 12th so that I could wear it on my birthday on October 31st. Thinking, obviously 14 days delivery you would get by then, but I got it 14 weeks later. I'm not even exaggerating. I got this on January 14th. Ordered on October 12th, I got this on January 14th. Imagine my situation, bro. I ordered another dress with this too. I still haven't received that. I just lost a lot of money, and we tried reaching out to them, like sending them mails, feedbacks and many other stuff, but no response. So please don't buy it. It was my mistake, so please don't. Next is really super cute. This really super cute dress. It's plain and it's really simple. It's from Max. It's sleeveless and it's like a round neck. Yeah, similar to this neck. And then we have a small button on the back. It's sleeveless. The thing is that it's plain and simple. It's just a simple elastic here. It comes along with a shrug if you don't want to wear it sleeveless. The shrug is short and these ends can be tied up together to form a knot. The hands are like, bell hands, if that's what you call it. I call it bell hands. I've been searching for these kind of dresses for some time, and when I went to Max along with my mom and her friend, we found this. And fun fact, there was only one piece left, so everybody liked it and we bought it. So that's the dress. Hope you enjoyed it. Next one is a cute and simple shrug that's inside out. It's a shrug. There's nothing much to say about this. It's just like, a normal shrug. You can wear it over your sleeveless tops if you prefer that. So that's how you wear it. It's nothing much. It's like, the material is very stretchy and easy to use / whatever it is. So yeah, come on. These are the stuff. These are some pants or jeans or whatever you call them. See, the thing is that these are denim material, but it's pants. I don't know how to explain that to you. I got 3. 1, 2, and 3. These are from Amazon. It's a combo offer. See, I do not have jeans. Not jeans. I have very less bottoms. So let's just fix that. I have very less bottoms, and we were searching on Amazon, so we found this and bought it. I got all these 3 for around 800 rupees, and the material and quality is really good. So if you guys want to buy it, it's actually cool. Go buy it. Things that we have elastic waist, so it's fit for anyone, and thread to adjust to our needs. And then it says bang bang. The length is below my knee but above my ankle, so it's like 3/4. It's a little below my knee and a little above my ankle. It's like that. I have worn this with a chill t-shirt. I will show you guys the pictures. This is the thing, and I'll show you guys the next thing. I haven't opened that. I have only worn that. I haven't opened these, so let's open that. That be there. This is a little more lighter shade. and the design and print is also different. Similarly, the same thing, elastic waist, we have the string, double pockets front and back. It says Dear Youth and then Valère and then Airborne. The pants are ribbed here and here and here and here and here and here and here. It's basically ribbed. And the thing that attracted me most about this is, these patchworks. It's really cute and fun for anybody of whatever age you prefer. These are available from sizes 8 to 16. I mean, ages 8 to 16, like 8 to 9, 10 to 11, 12 to 13, 14 to 15, 16 to 17. Yeah, so that. So this is another one. And last but not the least, we have come to an end. This is the last one. This is the thing. Same thing. Elastic waist, double pockets, thread, rib and patchwork. Length is also same, below my knee and little above my ankle. Unfortunately, we have come to the end of this video, as I would like to say. Jeans, jeans, jeans into 3. Shrug. My frock. Shrug of the frock. My romber set. And my chill t-shirt. Where are you? Okay, that's it. My chill t-shirt. My mom is actually sitting there and she's like, folding stuff. Unfortunately, we have come to the end of this video. And it's time to end this. And before winding off, I have noticed that once I started my YouTube channel, my accent and my English has been very... It depends upon the situation, really. It depends upon who I talk to. See, if I talk to some of my friends, my accent will be like Pakka local. I'm not even joking. It will be like Pakka local. But if I talk to someone, professional people, it varies. So the thing is that, personally, many have been inquiring where I am basically from. I am basically from India, Kerala, Ernakulam, Kochi, Muajpura, wherever you want. My mother is actually Konkani, so maybe it's from there. My dad speaks good English, maybe it's from there. But how do I say this? I don't know. Yeah, that's the thing.
Started to speak.
Yeah, ever since I started to speak, I have been speaking English at home, along with my mom and my brothers. And I grew up reading a lot of books. I still read a lot of books. I grew up watching a lot of English movies. So maybe because of that. And if you want maybe some tips and tricks, I will post a video. Let me know in the comment section if you want. Anyway, I will post a video. Watch it. It's a simple and free English class. And my vocabulary has been good. So yeah. I don't know what to say. I grew up here itself. I started studying from first standard. Fun fact, I did not study LKG. I started from UKG, but I don't remember much of that. And from first standard to 7th standard, I studied in a really good school. And then due to some reasons, I had to change from that school and move to another school to 8th. That school has helped me grow so much. It's also a really good school. It's close nearby. If you know me, you can know the school. So, okay. So I have got a lot of opportunities to increase my language and speak so much. This is not relevant to today's video, but since this thing suddenly came into my mind, I just thought of sharing it with you guys. So I'm basically from here. If you want a video on how I started to learn English, I can just talk to you guys about that. And it's time to end today's video, people. I will show you guys the photos. Please wait. Those were the photos of of the clothes that I wore in this collection. If you want to see a part 2 of this, please comment down that below also. So, if you enjoyed the video, the beginning of this video, I actually thought that I wouldn't use the word so a lot, but I used so a lot. So, again, so. we are winding this video up. It will be like 10 or 12 minutes. I am not sure, but let's see that. Thank you so much for your love and support, as I have mentioned in the beginning. So keep on supporting me, loving me, sharing my videos to everyone you see. Thank you so much. Like, share, subscribe. Comment down below what you thought of this video. If you want a part 2, if you want a vocabulary, English, literature, video thingy. I love you guys. Keep on supporting me. Thank you so much.